In an age when science and technology witness rapid development, numerous energetic and passionate teams are making their innovative contributions. Every greenery is indispensable to the vitality, and every rainbow is the crystallization of rain and dew. Shenzhen Wonda Electronics Co. Limited, as a brilliant star out of a galaxy of technical enterprises, is the cradle for cultivating innovative technical talents. Sticking to the business philosophy of self-fulfillment by helping others achieve their goals, good faith, and customer first, we have successfully gathered elites from all around the world with our human-centric working environment and have been providing our customers with high-quality products and services. Through the exploration in the past decade, we have earned strong support from such renowned customers as Ring, Britain, Park City, Russia, and Pilot, US. WDT also get widely support from our suppliers of LCD screen, battery, sensor, chipset, and so on. WDT is the second biggest chipset company Novatech's dashcam strategy partner. This is a testimony of our success in the past, and this is also a new start for the future. We boast a sophisticated team of talents who have been dedicating to the research and development of dashcam in the line of the innovation and customer-centric principle. By leveraging modern technology and equipment, including the advanced SMT process in our workshops, we deliver products featuring high density and strong shock-proof performance. We never cease our pursuit for the best products and services. We have put doubled and even redoubled efforts into every process. We take the quality as the life of enterprise and the commitment to customers. We won't let even the slightest detail to slip in every procedure. We have set up a special team to carry out around-the-clock aging test to make customers 100% assured of quality. The modern, dust-free standard workshops are well maintained to guarantee the output of every piece of high-quality product. There is no sweet without sweat. In retrospect, we are very proud. Looking ahead, we will make concrete efforts to move steadily forward. Stay innovative and pragmatic and be aware of risks is what we will never forget. From product development to production service, it is not only an ongoing research subject, but responsibilities. We care for win-win cooperation. We care about you.